Hi, this is Baby Harper, and today we are going to show you how to do a two-tone wrap. So the wraps you're going to need for this one is stretch wrap, it's just plain stretch jersey in any colour, and then two wraps in whatever colours you want to use together, and we are going for a nice knitted wrap, so these are quite fluffy and thick. Again, you can use other wraps if you want to, but we find that these ones give the nicest texture. So we're going to start first with a stretch wrap. It's just a simple potato sack wrap or egg wrap, and we've got videos on that if you want to see how we do that part. Doesn't need to look pretty, but it does need to be tight enough to keep baby's arms and legs securely in place where they need to be before we wrap on top then with the wraps that are going to be seen. Make sure baby's hands are out at the top as well, just so that we'll be able to pose these later. So we're going to go in now with our two different coloured wraps. We're going to start at the very end. I'm going to pop that just behind baby's shoulders. And then we're going to grab our second coloured wrap. Again, starting at the end. Then pop in that over baby's shoulder, just behind baby's shoulders as well. From here, we just need to make sure we're going nice and tight in opposite motions. So down over the top of baby's shoulder, coming down towards their bum. Just going to tuck that down nice and tight, so we're keeping this this outer edge nice and tight. We'll do the same then with the second colour over the opposite shoulder. Nice and tight. Now, making sure we've still got the baby's, the start of the wraps held onto at the top here, so we keep them nice and secure. We're going to go back up and around with the first wrap, back up to baby's shoulder, and doing exactly what we did last time, but just bringing the wrap down a little bit so there's a gap between the edge of the first wrap and the edge of the second layer of the wrap. What I like to do to keep it nice and tight is just pop it underneath my bum there, so we're keeping that nice and tight. And then we can do the same thing again then with the second colour wrap. Behind baby's back. Trying to keep it as flat as possible so we've got less lumps underneath the layers of the wrap. I'm going to come back up over baby's shoulder. Again, doing exactly the same as we did the other side. Back over baby's shoulder, but just keeping that gap so we've got a bit of definition between the two layers. I'm going to pop that into my bum this side to keep it nice and tight. And again, back around the back with this layer. We just keep repeating this until we run out of wrap, or until you've got enough layers and you're happy with how it looks. So that's layer number 3. Layer number 3 with a second colour. And what I'm going to do, I think, is just bring this round so that I can finish off then with the green for my final layer. The excess then can either be tucked into the previous layers behind, or it could just be tucked depending on how you're posing and what prop you're using. And that's your two-tone wrap.